Hello to all my friends out there. So here is the yogurt I made. Let's try it. Very easy, you guys. Here is the recipe, so you can just take a screenshot if you want. So if you make bread, you make a big pot of soup, you make a yogurt from scratch. Now next time you can just use your yogurt to make yogurt. You don't have to buy one. And then there's another recipe that's really going to stretch your budget, and that is the cooked fruit. And I think I have it here on the next page. Here it is. And so what you can do is you can take your frozen fruit, your fresh fruit, or your canned fruit, and you can cook it down, and you can eat that as jam or applesauce, or just a little bowl of cooked fruit on top of yogurt. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.